svima.
Hello everyone.
Pozdrav iz Umaga.
Greetings from Umag, Croatia.
Mi smo u 6. razredu.
We are in grade 6. We love English and we love legends.
My name is Gaia.
I'm Nika.
My name is Stefano.
And I'm Linda. Danas ću vam predstaviti našu legendarnu lutku.
Zove se Vila Velebita.
Today we are presenting a legendary puppet.
Her name is Vila Velebita.
Vila Velebita živi na Velebitu. Velebit je najveća najljepša hrvatska planina. Pogled se planini isti koji pogled Pavlove broda koji plovi dalekim morima. Iznad nebo visoko, ispod more duboko. U daljini mnoštvo otoka i otočića. Naša narodna predaja kaže da gore žive vile.
Velebit is the largest and the most beautiful mountain range in Croatia. The view from Velebit is spectacular. It's like a view from the sailing ship. There is an immense blue sky above you and the blue crystal clear Adriatic Sea at the bottom. In the horizon you can see many islands. Our mythology says that Vila Velebita lives up there. She is the best known Croatian fairy.
Kako izgleda ta vila?
Ona je vitka i visoka djevojka, lijepa kao sunce. Leti po Velebitu, skriva se na oblacima i skače preko rijeke i potoka poput crna.
She is tall and slim, beautiful like the sun. She flies over the mountains of Velebit, sleeps on the clouds, and jumps across mountain brooks, just like a dove.
Ta vila čuva hrabre ratnike, ljude, divne životinje, naše planine i našu domovinu, Hrvatsku.
Rodila se poput svih drugih vila, u osjenih crvenog i jesenjeg cvijeta.
The fairy guards brave warriors, people, wild animals, our mountains, and our homeland, Croatia.
She was born like all the other fairies, from dew collected on the red autumn flower.
Ali zašto je ta vila za svoj dom odabrala baš Velebit? Reći ću vam, naša uspjena predaja kaže: duh prirode Velebita je tako lijep da ga ljudi vide kao vilu. Tamo žive medvjedi, vukovi, risovi, tetribi i zmije.
Da, a ima i puno divokoza koje trče po velebitskim proponcima. Čuo sam da jedan čovjek koji većinu godina provodi na Velebitu razgovara s našom vilom. Inače, na Velebitu i na drugim raznim mjestima postoje druge vile, šumske vile, morske vile, nebeske vile, te gorske vile koje uzorgala za pitnu vodu s planinskih izvora.
But why has our fairy chosen Velebit to dwell upon? I'll tell you. Our legend says the spirit of nature in Velebit is so beautiful that people see a fairy in it. You see, there are a lot of beautiful forests and meadows there, revealing flowers of all colors and shapes. Bears, snakes, wolves, grouses, birds, and lynx live there. In order to preserve this pristine nature, Velebit has been turned into a park of nature.
Yeah, and there are a lot of mountain goats too, which are amazing rock climbers. I've heard that there is a man that lives in our mountain that talks to our fairy. Besides, there are other kinds of fairies. They live in the forests, in the sea, in the water, and on the clouds.
Je li ta vila dobra ili zločesta?
Voli pomagati slabima i ne voli nepravdu. Često pomaže umornim putnicima, ostavljajući ih na šumskim puteljcima. Može nestati kad god poželi.
She likes to help other people. She often helps hikers by leaving food on the forest paths. She can disappear whenever she wants to.
Na dobrotu redovito odgovara dobrim, ali zle ljudi i oni koji žele napakositi nemilosrdno kažnjava.
If people are nice to her, she is nice to them. If you treat her badly, she will punish you.
Obožava vojsku kolu kao i svoje vile. Može se pretvoriti u zmiju, pticu, labuda, pa čak i u staru babu. Ima i krila, a ko čuje njezin glas,
Nikad ga ne zaboravi.
She likes wheel dancing, just like all fairies. She can turn into a bird, a swan, a snake, or even into an old lady. She has wings, and when you hear our fairy sing,
You'll never forget it.
Oj ti vilo, vilo Velebita, ti našeg roda diko, tvoja slava jeste nama sveta, i tebi Hrvat kliko, ti vilo Velebita, ti našeg roda